In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a live subscriber count to OBS Studio. First, you need to set up the subscriber count screen. Launch the Google Chrome web browser. Open YouTube from here. In the top right corner, click on the profile icon. In the pop-up menu, click on YouTube Studio. In the Studio menu, click on Go to Channel Analytics. In the Analytics menu, click on See Live Count. This is the live subscriber count for this channel. If anyone subscribes to this channel, the number will go up in real time. Now we need to connect this window with OBS. Click on the address bar and copy the link by pressing Ctrl+C on the keyboard. Now minimize this app and launch OBS Studio. In the Source section, click on the plus icon. In the pop-up menu, click on Browser. In this pop-up, click on OK. Now you have to set the window. In the URL section, paste the link you copied from YouTube Studio. You can adjust the width and height for your count window, but I will leave this as it is. After you are done, click on OK. Now, in the window you created, it will ask you to log into your channel's Google account. But you can't do it by simply clicking on it. In the Source section, right-click on the browser option. In the pop-up menu, click on Interact. You can't find the Interact button, then you might be using an older version of OBS. You need to update your OBS Studio. Now you can log into your account. Type your channel's Google account here and click on Next. Now enter the password of your account. Here you can see that the count window is now showing on the stream, but we just want to keep the count part of the window, so we have to resize the window. Close this Interact window. Now drag the corners of the count window while pressing the Alt on the keyboard. This will crop the window without stretching it. Resize it without pressing Alt. Here you can see that we have successfully added the subscriber count to the OBS livestream.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.